Hi guys, happy Monday. I kind of fixed the camera a little bit, can you tell? The settings are off, making it look all muddy. But today we're going to use this very interesting and somewhat intimidating crimping iron to add some texture to the new bob. And I discovered this in the office the other day on Friday, and it worked surprisingly well. This is by Revlon. I took it out of Jenny's desk. It's very cheap. You can get this at any Walmart, CVS, Target, you name it. I don't know how much it costs. So I'm going to section off. I blow dried my hair with a little bit of root booster and some ancient serum to protect against those winter flyaways. And I'm just going to take sections and prep them with faux finish. And then take it. The great thing about short hair is this doesn't take very long. Oh, this guy's hot. And hold it. And then bring it down and hold it. If you have longer hair, it'll take, you gotta do it in more sections, but since it's short, the most that any of them take is 2. See, now look at that. It's fun. And it gives it a very distinct kind of finger wave texture. That if I can commit not to touching with it works really well just on its own, just like that. It's very simple. Spray your section. Hold it. And give it body too. Now we're going to section off this. I'm going to leave the bangs straight. Because those are too short to crimp convincingly. So as complicated as a tool as it looks, it's super easy to do. The iron does most of the work for you. I love when I get section perfect. And you want to try not to re-crimp. That's why it's important to have organized sections. Because if you get the wave pattern right in one try, you don't want to have to re-curl over it because it'll muck it up. See, this was not a good section because I didn't get it to the end. Got this one left. The ancient serum is really important for this. I mean, you can do it without it, obviously, but it keeps it from frizzing up, and it helps it hold its little pattern together. Don't ask me how. but it's really nice for that. Like, you've seen me use it for curls. Same theory. Alright, now last step. Drop of ancient serum, drop, tiny drop. And then we're going to spray it with the faux. I'm not too happy with the back of it, but gotta admit, this looks pretty complicated for 10 minutes of work.